Okay, y'all. So I'm getting ready to fry some pork chops. I know. But okay, let's just go with it. Okay. So I've already put the oil in the pan. So I think I have 6 pork chops. So this is gonna last me for 3 days. 2 pork chops per day. So here's how much oil I put, and here's the oil that I used. And now I am going to. I've got this. Here are the pork chop, and a bag of flour. This, and I'm going to season it, shake it up, and then I'm going to put the, well, that's not quite the, I'm going to season it and shake it up, and then we'll tell you the next steps. I don't think I've used this, so I'll probably have to take off the seal. Okay, then put this back. Okay, so this is onion powder. Not onion salt, but this is salt here. And black pepper. Should probably use some lemon pepper, but we'll see. And you'll see how we'll see. And this is Goya adobo. This is Dash garlic and herb. This is Dash table blend. I've always wondered if that means you could use it like to sprinkle on your food after it's cooked, you know, while you're eating it, in the place of salt and pepper. And this is Mrs. Dash's original. Okay, y'all, we're going to put this bag, shake it up, shake, 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 shake it. And we're going to see if this is sufficient seasoning. It is enough pepper. I'm going to turn the stove on in the meantime to let the grease warm up. So, how are we going to know if this is perfect blend? We're going to take a pinch and taste it. I think this is enough of everything. Tad bit too much pepper. Yeah. But it's good. Let's see how it comes out now. So we're going to set this to the side. I have an egg here and some milk here. And we're going to, it says twist to open, really? Because I thought you had to pull this thing off first. Maybe not, maybe I'm messing up something. But I buy these little small milks, you guys, because I don't drink milk. I really once in a while, I will get on a cereal kick, especially in the summer where I can put peaches in it, real fresh peaches, and or strawberries. And it's just Cheerios, just plain Cheerios, not cinnamon, not apple, just plain old Cheerios. But so I don't drink it, so I get these little small things, and I still end up, because I don't use it either for much, so I still end up throwing it away, but it ends up spoiling, but at least, you know, I get something out of it. You know, I get to cook a few things. Like I'm thinking about making some cornbread with some fish, and I would use it then, so yeah. So I'm gonna pour some milk in here with this egg. So this much, can you see that? Okay. And then I'm going to whip it up like I'm about to scramble the eggs. So this is important, y'all. Well, to me. I'm going to put some hot sauce in there, in the mixture of egg and milk. Did you see how much I shook? I'll try to show it to you. You probably can't see that. But anyway, so I'm going to beat this up like I'm scrambling an egg. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip each pork chop in here, and then I'm going to put in the bag of flour and seasoning, shake it up, and start to cook it. I'm also cooking some spinach and rice. I haven't quite decided how I'm going to cook the spinach. Usually I saute it on top of the stove. I might just stick it in the microwave, but we'll see in a minute. Okay, now you do want to get this mixed up really good. You do want it to be like pretty much just looking like milk and no, you know, no egg. I mean, the egg is all beat up really well. So I'm going to show it to you. So looking like that. Okay. Then I am going to see how the grease is faring by taking a pinch of flour and flicking it in the grease and see what it does. It didn't really sizzle, so that tells me that it's not quite warm enough, but I can dip this pork chop anyway in this mixture. I know you can't see it, but I'll hold it up after I've dipped it and let the excess run off. Put it in this bag of flour. I'm gonna put more than one though at a time. I might put 3 actually. Let the excess drip off. And then this actually is 7. Maybe I'll have a pork chop sandwich for lunch or something. So let that drip off. And there we go. And then I'm going to just kind of get this off of my hands a little bit. I need a paper towel. Can you see? I'm sure I'll use this in the course of cooking. But I'm going to keep this here because I'm going to have to do this several times while I'm dipping in and out. So I'm going to move that bowl and take this. Shake it until all three pork chops are pretty much covered. And I have a little piece of pork chop where I rinsed these. I didn't show y'all that, but I rinsed these with water and vinegar. And I'm going to put this in the pan and see if it sizzles yet. Did you hear that? It sizzled. So I'm going to put these in the pan, and then we're going to kind of show you how they turn out after they're done. So y'all, so I did decide I'm going to saute the spinach. So here is the little bit of oil that I'm going to put in here. So that's what that looks like. Just coat it with oil, basically. That's about all it takes. And I'm going to put some, I don't know if I have any. I wanted to put lemon pepper. So yes, I did have some lemon pepper. So I'm going to put a little bit of lemon pepper. I need to check these pork chops. I hope they're not burning. In here. In the pan while it's heating up. And a little bit of Mrs. Dash Original. Okay. And then it's fresh spinach, and I'm going to just saute it. And I'll come back and let you guys see everything when it's finished. Okay, y'all, so here we go. This is the final product. Rice, brown rice, spinach, sauteed spinach, and pork chop. And I only have one on my plate because I'm not so sure I'm going to want to. But anyway, there you have it, folks. Bye-bye.